In this video, I'll show you how to hide the currency code from the product prices in Shopify Dawn theme. As you can see in this example, the products on my site display the prices and the currency code, which is Canadian dollars. So let's go ahead and hide the currency code within theme settings. At first, let's log into Shopify admin account and then select online store. Then locate Dawn theme, in my case is version 15.2.0, and then select customize. Once the editor loads, on the left, look for the gear icon, which is theme settings right here, and then scroll all the way to the bottom. There should be the currency format section. Let's expand it, and here's the option to show the currency codes. As you can see, in my case, it's enabled. Let's deactivate it, and now let's save the changes. Now allow a few minutes for the changes to update, then go back to the website, try refreshing it. As you can notice, all the products will now show the price without the currency code. However, keep in mind that the currency code will still be visible within the cart section where it says estimated total, as well within the actual checkout, right over here. So as usual, I hope you found this video helpful, and for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.